Hello children, welcome to 4th standard English. Today our topic Bala Spins Magic Part 2.
Children, let's revise. First part, Bala spins magic. Bala and his family lived in Periyanegamam near Pollachi. Okay. On the day, he sat under a tree waiting for his father. He heard click-clack of the handlooms from the huts nearby made him feel sleepy. Bala liked most of the children in his village. He wanted to learn more about things related to his family profession, weaving. He learned maths from Veera Tata by using skins of yarns in bunches. Bala's family came from a long line of handloom weavers. They had perfect the art of drawing, dyeing, warping and weaving the yarn. It's very hard work, but they did. Help of Bala's mother, father, sister and cousins. Okay. Bala wondered, we made beautiful saris, but his mother didn't use that saris. One day he asked, mother said, very rich people only wear the saris. Bala's father arrived. Bala and his father started counting the bags around him. Bala was going with Appa to Chennai to help him carry the saris because they will get a better price for the saris if they sell directly to ladies in Chennai. The train journey was not very comfortable because they were traveling in unreserved tickets. Okay children, let's start from here. Part 2. Listen children. Finally they reached Chennai and went to Purasaivakkam where Appa's friend lived. Okay, Appa's friend lived in Purasaivakkam, so they reached there. Okay, next morning Appa was ready with places to visit to sell the saris. Bala could not read the big instruction in the signboard and hence held his father tightly. Soon they reached a big house after what seemed like many hours. They sat in a big hall and unpacked the saris. A young boy saw them and called out saying, Mom, there is a man with 2 bundles to meet you. Appa was showing the saris to the auntie and trying to sell it to her. He made each saris sound special and unique. He dropped the sari out him to show the design. Soon the other boy asked, Mom, can I ask the boy to come and play with me? Boy named Nitin. Nitin want to play with Bala. Okay. Nitin asked his name. He said, Periyanegamam Balakumaran. Nitin's room was full of toys. Lot of toys. Okay. Bala played with all the toys. Most toys had some electrical control. Mostly the toys electrical control toys. Okay. Since Bala's home does not have electricity, still Bala's home does not have electricity. He did not know to play with most of the toys because that's a electric controller, no. So he didn't know. In the corner of the room, Bala saw a spinning wheel. Spinning wheel. Now this was a toy he knew to play it. Listen the picture. He had no, that is spinning wheel. Okay. Then Nitin don't know to play it. Bala said, "It's a rottie." Bala dug Appa's bag to get some cottons. Bala took the cotton fluff and attached it to the spinning wheel and turned the wheel all the while. Nitin shocked and asked, "You can do magic? Can you teach me?" Bala said, "It's not a magic. Do it this way. Here, hold this, spin this." Bala had a wide smile across his face. Nitin struggled but soon learned to spin. Soon they stepped out. Appa had sold many saris to the auntie. "Mom, he taught me magic," Nitin said, and felt happy. Auntie laughed and said, "Well, naturally, his father is a magician too, a weaving magician." "Yes, I will tell all my friends in school that a magician from Perinegamam taught me this magic." Okay, children, let's see this lesson meanings. Wave, formed by interlacing long threads. Subtract, take away from another to calculate difference. Warp, twist out of shape. Uncomfortable, causing physical pain. Drape, arrange loosely. Drape, arrange loosely. Children, learn these meanings. I hope you have understood.
Thank you, children. We will meet in the next video.